Yo, my name's Aaron and today we're learning The Middle by Jimmy Eat World. Check out the solo. This song is in drop D tuning. If you're not sure how to do that, I'll stick a link in the description. It uses a pick, it's got distortion, it's an awesome track, so let's do it. We are of course going to kick off with the intro. This is a fairly straightforward song, so for all of the rhythm parts, I'm going to be working a little bit slower at 130 beats per minute. And then we'll slow down even more for the solo. There are two guitars in this intro. I'm about to show you the main guitar part, but the second guitar part is actually the same as the verse, which you'll learn in the next section. So, our intro at 130 beats per minute goes as follows. Also worth noting that if you didn't notice, all of that was palm muted. So we get to our verse at 11 seconds and it also comes in again at 46 seconds in the track. Just like the intro, the whole thing is palm muted and we're doing power chords, but don't forget we're in drop D, so it's only going to take one finger. I like to go from the pinky to the first finger just to get that movement, but you could just use the first finger on both. So the verse goes like this. And all of that goes around twice in both verses. So the three choruses in this song are in at 34 seconds, 1 minute 10 and 2 minutes 20, and they use a series of expanded power chords. So it's taking that idea with the one finger and then adding additional notes to make them sound much beefier. So our chorus goes as follows. So the guitar solo comes in at 1 minute 34 seconds and I've slowed it down to 90 beats per minute so you can really hear every little detail. And it goes like this. I hope that video was helpful. You'd really be helping me out if you smash the like button because it puts this video in front of other YouTubers who also want to learn this song, and they do take a while to do and to transcribe all the music and that sort of stuff, so it's really appreciated. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.